Good morning students. I hope you all are fine and I welcome you all in biology class. In the yesterday's lecture, we discussed about the epithelial tissue, and in epithelial tissue we discussed about the squamous epithelium. In squamous epithelium I told you that it is made up of thin flat cells, and later on we discussed that it is simple squamous epithelium also. If it is single layered and if it is present in many layers, it is known as stratified squamous epithelium. Let us now discuss about the other types of epithelium. Now, the second type of epithelium is the columnar epithelium. As the name indicates, columnar epithelium is made up of column-shaped cells which are taller than broad. Column-shaped cells are there. All these column-shaped cells, they lie on a thin delicate membrane as the characteristic of all types of epithelia, that is, they lie on the basement membrane. In the columnar epithelium, nucleus is elongated and it lies towards the base. This type of epithelium is present where absorption and protection and secretion are the major functions. For example, in the stomach, for example, in the small intestine, for example, in the colon of the large intestine also. Sometimes the columnar epithelium also bears minute structures, minute finger-like structures which are known as microvilli. In such cases, columnar epithelium is also known as brush-bordered epithelium. These finger-like structures are known as the microvilli. Okay, now again see, the cells of columnar epithelium are elongated, column-shaped, that is more taller than broad. Nucleus is elongated and lies towards the base. The columnar epithelium lies at the places where absorption and protection are the main functions of this, and for example in the stomach, for example in the small intestine. Later we will discuss sometimes this columnar epithelium also contains cilia and we call it as ciliated epithelium. Another type of epithelium, the third type of epithelium is the cuboidal epithelium. As the name indicates, the cells are cube-like which appear to you actually square in shape where all sides are extremely equal. The nucleus lies in the center and is rounded. In the columnar epithelium, nucleus was elongated and at the base. Here the nucleus is rounded and it lies in the center. The cells fit to each other like tiles only, lie on a membrane called as basement membrane. This type of epithelium is found in kidney tubules, in the thyroid vesicles, and when the cuboidal epithelium is present in ovaries and testes, it is known as germinal epithelium. So this is the diagram. Cube-shaped cells are there. Nucleus is rounded, lies at the center, occurs in kidney tubules and thyroid vesicles. Another type of epithelium is the ciliated epithelium. Again, as the name indicates, sometimes the cells of columnar epithelium, they bear fine hair-like structures. You could see this is the basement membrane, this is columnar epithelium, and at some places it bears fine hair-like or thread-like structures which we call as cilia. Then such a type of columnar epithelium is known as ciliated epithelium. Again, just like the characteristics of columnar epithelium, nucleus is elongated lies towards the base. And you will find this type of epithelium in the respiratory tract, that is in the trachea, where these cilia, they actually help in the movement and transport of substances. In the respiratory tract, these cilia help to push the mucus forward in order to clear it out of the body. Same way it also occurs in the fallopian tubes, where it helps in the movement of the unfertilized egg. Fine. So this is about the ciliated epithelium. Now the last type of epithelium is the glandular epithelium. Sometimes what happens is the cuboidal and the columnar epithelial cells, the outermost layer of these cells, it gets folded inwards. अंदर की तरफ वो fold हो जाती हैं to form the multicellular glands. This type of epithelium is found in the salivary glands, where their main function is to secrete the saliva. It can be found in the goblet cells in the stomach, where their main function is to secrete mucus by the mucous membrane. Goblet cells are present in stomach only. So, the main function of glandular epithelium is to produce certain chemical substances, that is, secretion is their main function, and they are the modifications of cuboidal or columnar epithelium. This is all about the different types of epithelial tissue, and now we will, in the next lecture we will discuss about the muscular tissue. Thank you.